Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim DLC codes on your phone. So unfortunately, you cannot claim these codes on your mobile app yet. I don't know why, but I think they're going to release it on the spring update on mobile phone. But if you don't have a PC or something, ask a trusted friend that you know in real life, and maybe they can help you, or you can come over to your best friend's house. If they have a PC, you're just going to select codes here, and you're going to see that there is a DLC codes button, and here's where you can enter your code. And yes, again, unfortunately, it's only now available on PC. I mean, I can't even enter the codes because I don't they don't sell dolls where I live yet, hopefully. But you can ask a trusted friend to enter the code for you on their PC if they have one. Or you can even go and hang out in an internet cafe and log into your Roblox there and enter DLC codes. But that's all the advice that I can give it to you that I can give right now. If you cannot claim the DLC codes on your phone because it's not out yet. I don't know why. I've been trying to keep myself updated with Dress to Impress, and they've not put this out yet on mobile for some reasons. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.